Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can make Oppo phone faster. So to begin with, I have to say that no Oppo phone is the same, but generally almost any Oppo smartphone should have two convenient and effective options to improve the system performance. So one of them you can find at the battery category of settings, then go for the more settings, and well, that is the high performance mode. So by enabling it, you will somewhat increase the power consumption, but at the same time you will be making sure that your system is always at the highest end of performance. Then the other thing is also this feature is not also present at every Oppo smartphone, but it's worth checking. So go into the About Device category of your phone, tap at the RAM, and in here, as you can see, we can turn on the RAM expansion feature and increase or expand to random access memory by a certain amount of gigabytes. In order for those changes to be correctly applied or to take effect, you will need to reboot your device. So do exactly that, but well, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.